ZooKeeper here again, folks. So today's job is to replace the license plate light on a Gen 2 Toyota Prius. It's pretty easy. This is the rear hatch trim. You just reach up on top of here, give it a pull, and it comes right down. So the license plate lights are these two gray things up here. So this license plate light needs to be replaced. You reach there and give it a twist. Unfortunately, this one needs pliers. It's pretty snug in there. Reach up there and give it just a gentle twist to the turn out anti-clockwise position. Then you can remove the bulb holder. Here's my bulb. Pop out the old one. Pop in the new one. Just a regular old 194 bulb. You know, trying to do this one-handed, somewhat problematic. And then here's the hole. You put it back in. Slip it back in there. You know, I've done this 100 times. And this one has to be the uncooperative one. It can sometimes be this way. It's just a cost of doing business. I'm going to flip it around backwards. Make sure I've got all my weird. There we go. I'm going to give it a twist with the pliers. Very gently. So you can see that's lined up horizontally on both of them. And that's how you replace the license plate light in a Toyota Prius. ZooKeeper out.